Hi everybody, it's me. I am back. I've been gone for so many months. Um, and I'm going to do a swipe. Yeah, I haven't painted since this whole coronavirus pandemic started. It kind of sapped all the creative juices out of me. But today I decided I was gonna go down and kind of clean around my studio because I haven't even been down here for months. And then I was like, I should try painting. I should definitely try painting. So we're gonna do a swipe, and I'm looking for a little cut. So I'm going to put a little bit of white paint in here with silicone. That should be good. And then my silicone is Spot On treadmill silicone. Just 2 drops. Well, sort of 2. Stir that up. There we go. My white, which is house paint and Floetrol and water. I had to mix up a new batch. I could barely get the lid open. But these paints are still good after months and months. And this is, I believe, a 10 by 10 inch wood panel. It's a piece of something that I don't want. Alright, get all the edges. Now I'm going, I've got Soho brand magenta. And yellow, I don't know what brand this is. And then a mystery blue. And cocktail red. And here is the cup that has the white paint with the silicone. Load that puppy up, and I need a swipey thing. Which my swipey things are just pieces of cardboard. Torch this puppy. I was afraid I would come down here and be like a fish totally out of water. But it felt so good. Let me show you up close. It looks pretty sweet. And there it is as a whole. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to those who have been emailing me to see how I'm doing. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time. Bye.